Hey, what is up, y'all? This your boy Fade Fave. Another good video. Really easy steps, nothing to it. Just messy top, leaving the curls. Really nice drop fade. Let's get to it. I'm using my magic clip here with the foreguard, lever all the way closed, and the scoop out motion. And right on top of it, I got my comb, and basically I'm just cleaning out the bulk so I can have a nice clean area to work with. Using my Slimline Pros, I'm gonna make my first guideline, and as you can see, I'm going just a tad bit lower in front of the ear, and then behind the ear I'm gonna bring it back so I can have a nice drop to it. Also, it'll give my haircut some contour. I'm gonna start my second guideline. I got my number 1 guard with the lever all the way closed, and you really can't see it, but I'm going in a scoop out motion just so I can have softer guidelines. It just makes the job easier for me. Using my clipper over comb technique, I'm going to remove some of the weight that I made with the foreguard so I can come back later on and clean it up with the 1.5 guard. Using my 1.5 guard with the lever all the way closed, I'm just going to target that weight line, basically clean it up, just flicking it out, trying not to go too high on it so I don't push my fade up. Using my 1 guard with the lever all the way open, I'm coming back to clean up some of the darker spots I left. Just wanted to give my haircut some nice contour from light to dark. And you really can't see it, but I'm using my lever a lot, moving it up and down depending on how dark the spot is. Every time I start with the new guideline, I got my blade all the way open. And basically, I really don't think there's a right or a wrong way to remove the bottom guideline. It just depends, man. I like to play with the lever a lot, opening and closing. Just depends on how dark the spot is. What I like to do is I like to step back for just a little bit, examine my haircut, make sure that there's no more dark spots left. Here I'm just coming back with the 1/2 guard, doing some cleaning here and there, make sure to remove some of the darker spots, line them up, getting ready for the left side of the head. For my edge ups, I push the hair down, comb it in the right direction. Make sure I try to go as natural as possible. Sometimes I do like to push it back just a little bit. Makes it look extra clean, especially after I hit it with the razor. this was Haircut. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys want to see next. Give me some suggestions. Also, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. It helped me a lot. It wasn't really uploading because of the COVID-19 deal that was going on in the US. Now we're back. Hopefully everybody stay safe, and God bless, man. Thanks for watching.